So we go back to calculation, system IPRVLP, wellhead pressure 250 and water cut 54. And then total GOR is 800 and everything maintained as per default. And now we will create cases to get the best GLR, gas liquid ratio, and the diluent rate. So open the drop-down menu. We will do sensitivity analysis for diluent, this one, salt diluent rate percent. So we will calculate the best ratio, the best percentage of the diluent. So it will be in range of 20% to 40%. So I will create 20, 25, 30, 35, and 40. Okay. And here we can click done and then we can calculate. All right. So we have 5 cases of diluent percentage. This one for 20%, 25, 30, 35, and 40. And of course, if you increase the diluent rate, increase the diluent percentage, the flow rate will be smaller because now the fluid is heavier. Okay, heavier to be lifted. So the flow rate will be decreased. You can check the plot, system plot, plot all cases. Done. So it's like this. You can maximize. All right. And go to replot here to get the original view. Click finish. Now, oh, by the way, you can check the sensitivity plot. So here, variables, get the liquid rate, click done here. So if you increase the diluent rate or increase the diluent rate percentage, your total liquid rate will decrease because now the fluid is heavier to be lifted. That's why we provide gas lift to make the fluid lighter. Okay, so click finish. Now in cases, we add GLR injected. This one, gas liquid ratio injected. And we have 10 cases from 0, 150, 300, 450, 600, 750, 900, 1050, 1200, and 1500. Click finish, click done. And then now we have 50 cases, right? But that's okay, Prosper is very fast. So click calculate. Let's see, now we combine gas lift injection with diluent rate injection. So we will dissolve the salt to make the fluid more dilute, but at the same time we inject gas lift to make the fluid lighter. Okay, so click OK. And now let's plot, system plot, plot all cases. Done. Okay, so now we include all the 50 cases, sensitivity of gas liquid ratio, and the diluent rate percent. It's like this, but the most useful plot finish is sensitivity plot. So click this one. So it's pressure, salt diluent rate, change the variables to liquid rate. Okay, and x-axis variable GLR, gas liquid ratio injected. Click done. So it's optimization plot. Horizontal axis is gas liquid rate injected, gas liquid ratio injected. Vertical axis is liquid rate. And this one we have 5 cases of salt diluent percent. So now we will find which case will give us the highest liquid rate, or you can also change the variables to oil rate. Click done. So this one, the most important thing is I want to get the highest oil rate. And based on this optimization plot, it says that the best gas liquid ratio is around 800. Here, around 800. Or maybe this one. Okay, that's the best gas liquid ratio. And the best salt diluent percent is this one, this plot. So it is 20%. So it means the best configuration is to inject your gas with GLR of 850, maybe 850 standard cubic feet per stock tank barrel, and diluent rate percent of 20%. That will give you the highest oil rate and with dilute fluid. And with that, I conclude my three cases. So here we have learned three cases in Prosper. The first one is hydraulic fracturing. The second one is natural flow. And the third one is gas lift with diluent injection. Okay, so that's all. I hope everything that we learned here is useful and we can have Q&A session.